When troubles come, my heart burning big, and I'm still here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on my